So last year, about this time, I did a video on painting my garage floor with rustoleum, and I want to show you the results. So obviously, there's some issues, and basically, it's in the path of the tires, and it's wore the paint off. Now, there was some areas where the paint wore off, actually kind of like early into the fall last year. And what I did was I went back over, instead of priming again like I had done, I just put the rustoleum down straight onto the cement. Now those areas didn't peel back up, so maybe if somebody's going to try this, they would want to just try the rustoleum itself straight on to the concrete. So as far as do I like this, I spread sand down into the paint as I was rolling it on the floor, and for the most part, 90% or 95% of this floor is perfectly fine. It's just how it was when I put it down, and it really makes a drastic difference for the quality of walking on the floor. There's no slipping. You don't get that nasty, wet, oily feeling on your shoes. So sometime this summer, I'm going to reapply to the areas that came up. I really was happy with it, even with the areas that came up, because the areas that came up were really just in the tire track areas, right where tires coming on, and I'm not really stepping on those areas anyway very much. So I don't know, it's not perfect, but it sure is cheap. It's easy to do, and yeah, I mean, if you don't care about the way that the little minor inconvenience, I mean, it kind of blends in with the floor anyway, but if you don't mind the way it looks, I recommend it.